What's going on, guys? Original Dobo, and I'm out here at the Xdynamics booth checking out the Evolve 2. If y'all remember, I had a chance to look at the Evolve 1, which didn't do so well and had not so nice things to say about it. But with the Evolve 2, Xdynamics has listened to the complaints and they made a lot of changes, and we're going to go over some of those changes here, so stick around. Alrighty, so looking over the Evolve 2, the body line of this drone has been completely slimmed down. They even reduced the size of the landing gear. One of the big complaints of this drone was you couldn't take it on a plane. You would have to check it or try to cram it in the overhead compartment. So they went ahead and slimmed that down. They also reduced the thickness of the arms. I don't know if you can see this in comparison to the Evolve 1. The arms are now slimmer. They also made some changes to the ESCs. They now have coverage on here, which makes it IPX43 rated. We actually have an Evolve taken off just behind us. We'll span over that here in a moment. But this thing is absolutely phenomenal. They put a metal heat sink on here. It now has obstacle avoidance. And get this, the range on this drone is 12 kilometers. So they've made a lot of substantial improvements, and some of those improvements comes in terms of the new controller. So if we look over the controller, we now have a touch display on the front. While this one is not working, there is a working model of the touch controller. It's dual touch screens, 1,000 nits of brightness, and 12 kilometers of range. Absolutely incredible. The battery life is 40 minutes on this drone, which is impressive. They've also made it quieter. Like I said, there is a Evolve drone just behind us as Zach pans over to that, and you can hear I'm talking, and I don't have to really try too hard to hear over the Evolve. So one of the biggest complaints with the old Evolve is that it was really, really loud. This is a lot less intrusive, sounds a lot better, and it's just so much more stable than the previous version. Now, another thing that Xdynamics has decided to do is if you got an Evolve 1, they're going to credit you back a portion of your purchase for an Evolve 2. So that means you'll only end up paying, I think it was like $1,000 they said, for the Evolve 2. This is going to be $36.99 when they do release it. It is releasing in May, and pre-orders should go live pretty soon. But definitely some great improvements. It's always nice to see a company listening to the pilots that fly them. That's going to do it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Stay original.